In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of setting up your very own lo-fi music channel on YouTube. And we're going to make it AI powered for that extra touch. But that's not all. I'll also share some valuable insights on how to blend it with various income streams. So, let's dive in. You might have heard of the Jazz Hop Cafe, a wildly successful YouTube channel with billions of views. And guess what? They're not the only ones. Channels like Little Soul are following suit and thriving. When we peek at their social blade stats, their estimated earning is around $7.2 thousand every month. While this number is an approximation, it's safe to say they're making a substantial income. What's their secret? They keep it simple, featuring lo-fi beats with some captivating background visuals. Now, you're probably thinking, I want a piece of that pie. How do I get started? First and foremost, you'll need a YouTube channel and of course content. But what does it take to get monetized on YouTube? You'll need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, in addition to original content. It might seem like a daunting task, but don't worry. I'll share tips on how to grow your YouTube channel rapidly and achieve that crucial 4,000 hours of watch time in no time. Plus, I'll show you how to create original content. But here's the kicker. It doesn't end with YouTube monetization. I'll also introduce you to different methods to generate income with your lo-fi channel. You can explore affiliate marketing, engage in community posts, secure sponsorships, and even dive into brand deals. So, let's start by crafting your content and unlock the potential of your AI-driven lo-fi channel. First, let's create the background image. I'll show you two methods. One, using a paid AI tool, and another that's entirely free. To get started, we'll take a screenshot of a video from a lo-fi channel to use as a reference. Just press the Windows key and then print screen, and the image will be saved in your screenshots folder. Next, let's open Discord and create our private Midjourney server for a smoother workflow. Click on the plus icon to start server creation. Follow along with my steps and give it an appropriate name. Now, head over to the official Midjourney server. Ensure the member list is visible and locate the Midjourney bot. Click on the bot and select Add to Server. Follow the steps to add it to your newly created Discord server. Once you've completed this, return to the newly created server, and you'll find the newly added Midjourney bot in the right corner. We won't be manually inputting prompts to generate images. Instead, we'll let Midjourney handle that for us. I'll show you how. Simply type /describe and hit the enter button. A box will appear. Remember the image we screenshotted earlier? Now drag that image into the box and press enter. The Midjourney bot will start processing it, scanning the image to determine the most suitable prompt. Now let's take a closer look. Midjourney has provided us with 4 fantastic prompts for describing the image. We're going to generate all of these by clicking Imagine All. It might take a few seconds, but don't worry. I'll speed it up for you. There you have it. They look amazing. Let's upscale the image we like the most. Click on the image and select Open in Browser. You can now save it by right-clicking and selecting Save to your computer. Now, let me introduce you to the second method, which is absolutely free and utilizes a handy AI image generator. I've dedicated an entire video to showcasing the best free-to-use AI image generators, and one of these gems is called Leonardo AI. What sets Leonardo AI apart is that it provides a commercial license for each generated image, allowing us to monetize it. Let's head to the Leonardo AI website. You can either create an account or simply log in, just as I'm doing. Once inside, we need to select an image model that suits our needs. The Anime Pastel Dream model should work perfectly. Adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9 to get a horizontal image. In the text box, we must enter a prompt that will generate a similar image to the one we screenshotted and want to use as a reference. Here's where I'll take a shortcut. I'm going to copy and paste the prompt. However, if you can't do that, you'll have to come up with the prompt yourself and experiment a bit. With the prompt in place, all that's left to do is click the Generate button. Take a look. There they are. I think this one would be best. You can download the one you like the most and move on to the next step. Now it's time to create the beat. And yes, we're going to use AI for that too. It's really simple, and I'll show you AI tool for that. The first one is called Mubert. Let's go to the website and click Generate a track. Now you can either type a prompt, select a genre, choose a mood, or pick an activity. In our case, let's select the lo-fi genre. For the duration, let's make it longer than 45 seconds. Set it to 3 minutes. Now, all we have to do is click Generate Track, and the track will start generating. In the meantime, let's check out their pricing options. They have 4 plans. The free plan, the creator plan for $14 a month, the pro plan for $39 a month, and the business plan for $199 a month. The creator plan doesn't look bad because you can generate up to 500 tracks a month, and you don't need to add any attribution. But what if you'd rather not spend money? You can start for free, and then earn through affiliate links as your channel grows. When your channel is flourishing and you're making money, you can consider purchasing a plan. But let's move on from money talk and see if our AI lo-fi beat is ready. There it is. Let's have a listen. Wow, that sounds amazing. Click on the download button to get it. Now, you'll need to create an account. You can connect it to your Google account. They'll remind you that buying a plan allows you to monetize the AI beat. Let's go to our newly generated track and click on Download again. Here's an important step. Make sure you input your YouTube channel link here so they can clear any copyright claims for your content. Now that we've got all our content, such as the background image and the lo-fi beat, it's time to put them together and create a beautiful video. You can use any video editing software, but we're going to use CapCut. It's easy to use and free. If you haven't already, go to their website and download it. Open CapCut, click on New Project, and then drag and drop the background image and lo-fi beat into the timeline. Drag the image all the way to the end of the audio clip and you're almost there. But wait, here's a little trick to instantly accumulate more watch hours. Essential for reaching that 4,000 hour milestone as quickly as possible. Copy the audio file and paste it directly after the audio file. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V. Repeat this process until you reach a video length of 30 minutes or 1 hour or longer. You could even make extended versions, it's up to you. Just remember to also drag the image to the end of the audio file. When you're done, click on Export on the right top corner. Voila! Your video is ready to be uploaded to YouTube. For our YouTube channel name, I will head on to ChatGPT and write the prompt to give me a name for my lo-fi music channel. I think this is best Lo-Fi Lounge. To create an eye-catching channel logo for our channel, we'll use Canva. It's free to use, and you can even try their 30-day free pro trial. Start by searching for a YouTube logo. After that, use a blank canvas and import the image we generated earlier from Leonardo AI. Resize it as needed according to logo, then add text by clicking on text of our channel in the center or wherever you want. It's totally up to you. To edit that text, double-click on it and cut the existing text and write your channel name. And now I am going to add an element by clicking on element on the search bar, search for music notes. And I think this one is looking perfect. I am going to drag and drop it and resize it and change the color from here. Perfect. After that, click on Share button and then click Download and then choose File Type as PNG or JPG. Then save the image. So our YouTube logo is ready. Now we will head on to make YouTube banner. Again, click on Home icon, and then on the search bar write YouTube banner or YouTube channel banner. And after that, again, select the Create blank, import the image we generated earlier from Leonardo AI. Then select text and again add the recently used text style and edit it as done before. Then click on Elements and search for music notes. I'm going to choose this one, so now drag and drop it over the image. and then resize it a bit according to your need, and I am change its color from here, so now it's ready. To download it, click on Share, and then click on Download and choose File, type as PNG or JPG, and voila! Your banner is ready. Next, we'll create a thumbnail style for your videos. Head back to Canva and search for a YouTube thumbnail. Again, use a blank canvas, add the same image, and duplicate the font you used in the previous project. You can include your logo as well. Customize the text to match your video's theme, and save the thumbnail to your computer. At the beginning of your journey on YouTube as a lo-fi creator, you won't be monetized right away. But there's another way to start earning money immediately, by using affiliate links in your video description. I'll show you a few websites where you can find excellent affiliate deals. First up, we have ClickBank. Just sign in, and you'll find a vast array of offers to choose from. Another website you can explore is Digistore24, which is quite similar to ClickBank. Additionally, as your channel grows, you can combine your earnings with community posts, sponsorships, and brand deals. As your channel becomes more popular, businesses may start reaching out for promotional collaborations. Now the next step is creating your YouTube channel. Head on to YouTube and click on the icon over here and click on Create Channel. So this screen will pop up. Then I am going to change name to Lo-Fi Lounge, and on the handlebar I am going to write my own handle. Otherwise it will suggest you handles according to your channel's name. After that, click on Create Channel. After that, this screen will pop up. Then click on the logo of your channel over here. It will take you to YouTube Studio for channel customization. Then click on the upload over here to upload your logo. Select the picture which you downloaded from Canva, and then click on Done. After that, you will have to select your banner image. For that, click again on Upload and select the banner image that you made on Canva. And for the video watermark, I am going to upload the logo, image again. So this is ready. After that, next easy step is click on Basic Info on the right. Down there, you will see Description area. For that, I am going to head on to the ChatGPT, and I am going to give him the prompt to write me a 5 to 6 lines for my YouTube channel description named Lo-Fi Lounge. So as you can, description is ready. Copy it from here and paste it over there. Everything is ready. Now you're ready to upload your first video and kickstart your lo-fi beats channel. The great thing about this is that you don't need advanced skills up front. It's a step-by-step process that anyone can follow. This process is remarkably simple, so let's break it down. 1. Begin by generating the background image. 2. Next, create your lo-fi music. 3. Utilize CapCut to craft your video. 4. Craft your channel logo, banner, and thumbnail. 5. Don't forget to gather those affiliate links. 6. Create your YouTube channel. 7. Time to upload your video. 8. Subscribe to Leonardo AI for added benefits. 9. Finally, keep the cycle going, rinse and repeat. Always remember that consistency is the key to success, and that effort pays off. Keep creating and, most importantly, savor the journey. When you enjoy what you do, things will run more smoothly, and who knows, you might just make a fortune. See you in the next video.